there's no gummies.
Silly Gus, there's no gummies at McDonald's.
Nah, no gummies at McDonald's.
Welcome to Ryan's Family Review.
Me and Ryan are gonna go to the airport.
Yeah, we're gonna go to California.
Woohoo! But my hungry tummy really wants some gummies. Where should we go to eat, Ryan?
McDonald's.
Good idea. We got McDonald's.
We got a Happy Meal.
What is it?
It's a mushroom.
That's so cool.
Get the mushroom.
Can I eat the mushroom?
No, just get it.
Yeah, I probably don't want to do that. This looks like a toy. Ooh, I got a new life. Thank you. Let's see what else we got. What? There's no gummies.
Silly Gus, there's no gummies at McDonald's.
Nah, no gummies at McDonald's. Oh. Yeah, Ryan, we're here at the airport. Wake up. He fell asleep. Let's go.
A window?
The captain has turned on the seatbelt sign. Please take your seats.
All right, we're all buckled up.
Yeah, so this is our hotel.
I didn't see the glass there.
Huh? Oh, you
I
didn't?
didn't see the glass.
Ryan didn't see the glass.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it has like an outside area. What? We came here last night, but we were too tired, so we just woke up. Oh, it looks like a stairs.
Wow.
That's beautiful outside. Yeah. Oh, the mountains over there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Oh, it's everywhere, Ryan. Look, it's over there too.
Alright, so let me show you guys the rest of the room. So again, this is the room. And it comes with a small fridge, I guess. Yeah, and then it's separate. So this is the living room area. It's separate from the bedroom. So this is our bed. Ryan came in last night. He was so tired, he passed out. He thought he slept walk in here. Yeah, so this is a bedroom. Again, there's the living room over there. Oh, look, there's Gus sleeping. And then here's the bathroom.
Oh yeah, see the bathroom?
Yeah, Ryan didn't even get to see the bathroom because he was so tired.
Ah!
What?
I dropped it.
Oh no, Ryan dropped soap. Yeah, so there it is, the bathroom. Yeah, so we are at the arcades.
Go, Ryan, go. Drive faster. You can do it. You can do it.
Alright, it is Ryan versus Gus. Alright, Gus.
All right. Me against Ryan. Yeah. Woohoo. You got a point. Yeah. Whoa. You scored.
Ryan.
Whoa.
Catch up.
And I get 2 more.
Oh, and then the second one. That was fast. Oh, Ryan won, 7-3.
You're Ryan won.
Well, that's pretty good, I think.
All right, my turn. I'm gonna try. Yeah. points. You're pretty good at this. Wow.